Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jacksonville Joe. We holding it down. Hope everybody's having a good day. Let me know what's up with y'all in the comments. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, tap the bell, drop a comment. Let me know where we're going next, man. Give me some direction. Alright, so I think this is the first time ever. Maybe he might have requested something before, but my dad actually requested this one. He said, you need to check this out. He said he's watched it like 50 times. Disturbed, The Sound of Silence, official music video. I know who Disturbed is. I'm not sure if I've ever heard this song or not, but he told me to check it out. He said he found it, he listened to it, he really liked it, and I'm pretty sure he meant just listen to it on my own, but I'm like, hey, might as well check it out, right? Alright, so let's see what's up with it. Shout out to all the Disturbed fans. Shout out to everybody who's been rocking with me lately, man. I really appreciate all y'all. Let's go, man. Excuse me.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Oh, okay.
I've come to
I think I've heard this in movies and stuff like that. Or might have heard it on along the way somewhere. I'm not sure, but it sounds familiar already.
talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted
It says new album, Evolution. Hey, y'all go check out that new album, man.
in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of
Suggested, Disturbed. Are you ready? I don't know. We're here. We might be ready.
I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening. People writing.
People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening. Like y'all just talking, but you ain't saying nothing, and you just taking it. You just listening. You not taking it in.
Songs and voices never share, and no one dare
Like you.
disturb the sound of silence. Fools said, you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words and
Hold on 1 second. We're gonna take a second. Go ahead, come down here. Okay, I already did. I'm gonna go ahead and subscribe. Put the bell on. All right, man. Let's get back to it. Alright, so not only the video is trippy, the song's good. It's kind of a slower tone song or a slower, pace song or whatever. But Yeah, they talking about some deep stuff in here, but my words like silent raindrops fell and echoed in the wells of silence.
And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made. And the sign flashed out his warning, and the words that it was forming. And the sign said the words on the prophets are written on the subway walls, tenement halls, and whispered in the sound of silence.
Okay, I could definitely see why so many people have watched that. Let's see. What's it? Is that what it says? Hold on. 784 million? Wow. That's crazy. That's insane. That was definitely a good song. The video was real intense, real like cinematic, like theatrical with the drama and the tone of the music with the video. It's just like get you sucked in on there. Yo, man, if y'all aren't just subscribed to Disturbed, y'all should go check them out. I'm gonna definitely be checking out more of their stuff. Shout out to my dad for the request. I appreciate it, man. Hey, if he asking me to check it out, he must have really liked it. So, you know what I'm saying? Like, I think it was definitely worth checking out. To the other reaction channels, y'all should probably check it out. To the people who are watching, go check out the video without me talking through it, listen to it, and all that. Big shout out to everyone who been rocking with me lately, man. We're going to keep it rocking. I'm going to see y'all on the next one.